I look so freaking weird right now. Guys, the tone active body. How would that? Eh? How would that? Yeah, this is just my feet. Something simple, something. Guys, we have a lot of other nice machines, but one here a plastic. I mean, I want a plastic one, Lindsay.
But you load from in a Netherlands. Where the grabbers stink like alligator pan. Whiskey, today we are the weatherman. A boy shoulda drop, but the baby better jam. Long time we no kill a man. And we purple lemons like the little man. Set a bomb, make a jam, top rain fall. So almost catch a man. That's the echo when the grabber. Schemers like Shabba motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strap, every banana. Swing like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 of them. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. We run here so everybody back. We bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Saturday, 22nd of February. I'm currently heading on the road. As you guys can see, I want to see if I can open up another account today, either J or Scotia, and then I'm gonna search to see if we can get some stuff. Don't carry this. Guys, I just recently said I could remember to bang open a Saturday until the end of the year, you know. Guys, the tone active bad. Pure traffic, pure traffic. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to the store. I did buy my fridge because I got paid on a machine. So I'm just going to show you the machine and I pick out. I'm going to reach home and talk to you because it's kind of finished on the road. I'm doing my video. So yeah. This is the store, y'all. This is where I bought my fridge. So I'm going to pay on the machine in here. So alright, so I'm going to show you the machine and I paid on. Guys, I wanted this one. This after 50,000. I wanted this one. This is Blue Sonic, right? But I'm going to work with the smaller version for it. So this is for $48,000. So this is the one that I'm choosing. Yeah, I'm going to pay them for it. Alright, so future me here editing, y'all. So in the clip where I said that the machine is for $48,000, I made a mistake. It's just because I did too excited, maybe I chat crap. So the first machine that I ordered, like I paid on was the Paramount machine that was for $48,000, and the one they call, and the Blue Sonic machine that was up to 50,000 to 60 bracket. You understand me? So I paid on the Paramount machine. So sorry about that. I was super excited and everything like that. So maybe I even chat fast. So yeah, just to let you know. Guys, we have a lot of other nice machines, but them one here are plastic. I mean, I want a plastic one, see? These ones are plastic, and the plastic one, I'm not really good. These one, I don't like them, so that's why I don't choose the plastic ones. But yeah, I like the look of machine. And the same thing is the only thing this is much smaller, and yeah, the same thing basically. So, like I said, this is about $48,000 and this is for $50,000. So, yeah. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm balance $9,000 now for the machine. Happy Sunday guys. So today is the 23rd of February. I'm on the road, but me I head home back because I just come first see if we can get nothing at the pharmacy and they don't have what I want. So I'm going to check back again at the other pharmacy here, so I'm currently that closed, so they've got all the way to instead and then don't have them on. So I'm gonna go back on the road tomorrow because what I need, it is very important for my health, so I have to get it. When I go home, I'm gonna start cook. I don't even know what I'm gonna cook right now, I swear. Guys, you ask my question, my eye look weird too now? Does my eye look weary? Best believe this is the only taxi that is on the stand for me to head home. Like there's no taxi out here at all. Whenever it's Sunday time, it's hard to get taxi. So this will take a while forward. Good morning you guys. So today is the 24th of February today and I'm currently heading on the road. So Guys, Mary and should have a hard time for a vlog nowadays because my phone is giving me hell. But anyways, before I leave home, I just make mac and cheese for the kids then. See, I just make that one do its thing and then I go drain it and all of that. So hi guys. Yeah, so when we finish guys, I'm head on the road, maybe catch my bag. Guys, what I'm here drop off too. Everything just go wrong from Nodia. My hair I drop off, everything just go wrong. So I'm up on the road guys, maybe catch my bag. Okay, so I just leave out now. Therefore, make breakfast for the farm and everything. Anyways, y'all, like I said, I realize I'm gonna drop videos every day. Reason being, my phone I give me a hard time, and I can't even focus for buy a phone for myself right now, cause I have other things I need to do, right? Like the machine now, me I tell you, big up to one of my biggest supporters where they are support me right now, because I have some genuine people on this app where are support me the best way they can. Best believe, I don't even know how I feel right now. A long time, they've been saying I go buy a machine, and best believe me, they are save up my part of money to buy the machine. But this supporter of mine come through and help me out. Best believe. I don't even know how I feel right now. God, may I tell you, him work in all type of ways. When me I go through my good and my bad, God always did I send people to try come help me out or something. But this supporter of mine, big up to you, girl. I swear, big up to you. So, what's my breath? Can I just climb out here a while ago. So, now I got here today, and basically I'm gonna pay down more on the machine. I'm gonna switch it and buy the 50. Sorry, I'm gonna buy the machine for 50 I told you, because I think that's way better. So yeah, oh God, trust me, God is good, I swear. God is so freaking good. Okay, so I'm currently at my bus stop right now. I wait for a taxi, and y'all know say it's a school morning, so the taxi them basically go pick up the school kids them. So a balance for the machine, I'm supposed to balance about $13,000, because I'm gonna switch the machine. If anybody want to switch it, but I just balance 10,000, 9,000 or 10. 10,000, no, 9,000 with a balance, right? But I'm gonna switch the machine, because I think the bigger one when is shown, I think that's better, you know. So I have the receipt and everything, so I'm gonna think it would be a problem for me to switch it. I don't think so, right? I don't think so. I reach Linstead now, and I get something to eat first before I go to the store when I buy the washing machine.
Oh, Raffy, you magnificent son of a...
I got a map.
Okay guys, so this is basically my breakfast for the morning. I ordered beef fat with cocoa bread. To start eat it already with a cherry pineapple juice. I just finished eating my food, but I'm gonna digest before I leave. Anyways guys, I'm doing my own look right now. Sorry, I'm doing my own look. But I still got something to come from the road I do what I do. Like lately I just don't care how I look no more, I just don't care. You know? It's like me I go through a phase, but I don't know. But yeah, so I think, oh yeah, but it also go at the bank. I'm not open to other accounts. I have my Scotia card, I have my JN card, so they say I can reactivate it back because my card is dormant. So I'm going to reactivate my card, but I don't today. Because I go to my JP and all of that. And it will take a while, like, when really it will take a while. But I don't know all day because I have things to do. I have the machine to pick up and I go something there. So if we go to a bank, we go to all of that. I don't know guys. My mind already there, so I'm trying to do things one step at a time, you know. But me just go and digest my food and then my head out. Guys, me look so freaking weird right now. This looks so weird. My self-esteem kinda low, which is not good. But yeah, can I pull up my ear?
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Round with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bro, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on them.
Guys, I'm currently on my way to the store. So probably till I take the machine and just carry it home. Guys, and the things that this road are nice. A back road this one. No nice at all. You have to be careful around them local parts here. Not like you know what it is, I just feel so lost. You know? I don't know if nobody get ever yet feel away, but I feel so lost lately. Well, we're here. We're finally here. Okay guys, so we're in the store now. Yeah, I'm coming from a machine. So it look good, y'all. Let me turn on the flash so I can see it better. Hey, this is the happiest day of my life, I swear. Boost on it, guys. I this one I did pay down on, you know, the Paramount. But wait, air dry. So this have air dry on it as well?
Yeah. Hello.
Guys, this machine also air dries. Oh, tell me if it's a right choice. Cause you know, but I was in love with the one here more, you know, guys. Look how inside look. Yeah, I'm gonna love this one instead.
You and me will always be tight. Never leave every single day and night. You stop acting like a fool. You know I'm loving every single thing you what? Single thing. You know I'm loving every single thing you do. Single thing you do. You know I'm loving every single thing you do. You and me will always be tight. Never leave every single day and night. You stop acting like a fool. You know I'm loving every single thing you do.
I just get my goods. It's in the car. I feel them company car this, so it may go use go over now, guys. As I say, I change it. So this is the 50,000 machine. I think it way better. The first one was the Paramount one, so I think maybe I mix it up a bit. So that's poor moment. I'm going to the car. I'm ready now. Oh my God, what a Jamaican scream out of me. Alright guys, so I'm home now. I don't feel good, you know. Every time I go up on the road, I feel away. That's why I make an effort to get me peel them. So I also buy the gum here, skin and nails gummies. So I buy the gum here, but mostly go to the pharmacy to get my iron pill. Wait. So I'm gonna get 2 bags of iron pill. I need them because I cause drowsiness and all of that, but I have to work with her. I want to kind of want to say hi again. You don't want to say hi again? Yeah. My hair. But I'm going to pull up my ear because the scunging in my ear that hurt my more. Alright guys, so my ear there, so I unbox the machine. Guys, gonna tell me if I pick a right one. Oh God, I'm happy. I can't wait to use it. Darian didn't box, you know. But say I'm gonna play with it. Wow. This look good. It's nice. In this, I put the soap thing. Yeah, detergent box. That's how you get wheat, man. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, the juki box. A juki box. Guys, my juki box. A chicken you cut, Mario? A chicken you cut? guys. Wow, guys, just look at the body of this. Look at the body. This looks so good. Alright guys, so let us talk about the washing machine, alright? Because every minute I look at it, my face and channel. Thank you, Father God, thank you. Because all of there, me I tell you, mobile, it is stressful. If I get up and I wash outside with my hand, it's stressful at times. So really and truly, may I give God thanks, may I give God thanks, may I give God all of the glory for saying yes, Father God, it come true for me, because really and truly, you have some genuine ass people out there who will come through and try to help you. No matter what the situation may be, they might come out and try to help. Yo, if you can see, me did not cry. Come here say, yo, like, you have people out there who are truly nice and them see a potential in me where say, alright, me a progress in a life and all of them shit there. So, me don't feel cry not too long ago. I feel wipe my tears on my face. I feel thank God because me say no sir. If people never see me as a trying young mama try to go through life and I try to do my little thing, more do the which for me there right now, best believe. More do the which for me there right now. So let me big up all of my people on this platform right now that support me. Big up all the person them, all of the haters them also, because all who now watch me, who also give me a little support. Who might not like my videos them, but who know watch me out. Big up to all out though, because today, if I never for Uno, more to get recognized from most of my subscribers then, if you know what I mean. But me have to tell you, big up God and big up to my subscriber. I swear, big up that one subscriber will come true for me. So you see me, you know, when people say me I spend like me not around to spend when I have things to do, especially food in the house. I don't know how people would I stingy for buy food in the house. I don't see them really. You see, once I have money we can buy food, I not ram for buy food, guys. Anyways, but I not save up my money to buy my washing as well, right? So I did have few money on my PayPal when I did save up. And I didn't have money otherwise on my savings account when I did save up. So the money that my subscriber gave me, I just use that and I don't pay on the machine, and then I use the rest of my money and pay off on the machine. You get what I mean? But me I tell you, man, God, thank you, Father God. Trust me, this means a lot. And to you, girl, you know who you be. Thank you so much. This truly means a lot. I'm grateful. I appreciate what you do for me right now, because I tell you, you take a load off of stress off for me, believe. Because sometimes I don't feel good and I feel wash, I feel do things around the house, see me. Big up you. Okay guys, cooking time. So this evening I'm cooking rice with bean and saltfish. The saltfish they are boiled for over 2 hours now, because I try to, I think it's 2 hours gone. No, not even 2 hours, half an hour. I mean. So I'm gonna put on the rice already to steam down. No worry, I got shelly. Don't worry yourself. All I have to do now is to pick the saltfish, because this soon finish. But just give it some more minutes and then we finish. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn off the stove now. This basically finished. I'm gonna put cold water over this, running water over it, and then I start pick it. Alright, so I'm gonna finish with the saltfish. I never use all that, guys. I just save a piece of it so that I can use it tomorrow to make letters. Add in the oil now. I need a lot. That's not a lot. Alright, so let's take it now. Alright guys, so this is the first time I actually try saltfish with prawns with the bacon. So I'm gonna let anybody else do this. Add in a bit of black pepper. Then we'll go in and mix it. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna add in the baked bean now. Alright guys, I'm adding a bit of butter. Everybody cook different, y'all. You can add butter in baked bean. Just want it to melt out, then we can add the water. Y'all see how it looks when it melts? I think I'm gonna add a bit more of black pepper to the pot. We don't want to overdo it because the kids do not eat as well. Yes guys, this looks good. I'm gonna add the water to the pot now. So I'm gonna add a little tip of water in the container because you know so it have the sauce in it already. I don't add a lot of water, just a little tip. Oh, yeah, and that's it. Mix it around now guys. See the butter there staying here. Guys, this food smells good, no lie. Food smells so freaking good. Alright, so the baked bean is finished now. This is how it looks. Looks good. Look at that. Alright guys, so now I head to the shop. Forget a few little snacks, got diarrhea done all the snacks, and I get a few little snacks for me and Maria as well. Also Kai. So I'm finished cooking everything. So Maria and Dario are currently at eat while I go shop. They can't turn on them, put them burgers on. Jesus. We outside. Not true, Kai. We're outside. As it just touched 7 o'clock. 7:05 now. I'ma just reach the shop. Just reach. I would that. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Sorry. Guys, then change up inside of the shop, you know, different. Good morning you guys. So today is Wednesday the 26th of February and it's currently 8 something in the morning. But currently here, so I give Kai him local fruit for the morning. You know, you look at Heinz pocket pouch fruit thing. I don't want to know them something. You love them, so I make sure at all times I always take them up when me a shop. Right? Chill. Anyways guys, so now I go up the road looking for now because we need to touch up the house with few stuff because we are running out of stuff. You know, we talk up the end of the month, so kind of run out of stuff right now. So now let's go up the road looking for now. Ooh, you're so finished it, man. Guys up there. Boy, take out everything. Yeah. We have to buy more fake guys. I lost this, you know. I lost it. I'm watching. Oh yeah guys, can I get a little cocoa pan in fried? Maybe want to show it up too much. I never did see it before, but you have a cocoa pan in fried. We put ice pack on it to make it to make the swelling kind of go down. But it not really fully go down as yet, so I'm still a watch it. They are ramp on the veranda yesterday with the brother and one door up on the veranda, so I chat foolish. Just one table on the veranda, so I go behind the table and end up drop. So yeah, and I ask the people if they want any. What is some meal? Offer them some. Guys, and I'm here squeeze it in literally a dry pink one myself, and I'm here squeeze it. Look there. Yes, what we do? Yes, what we do? It's so finished. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave out now. I'm gonna stop off at the JP first because I need to open my account like today. I need to open my account today. Hopefully I can get it done quick and fast. But yeah, let's get it moving. This is just my feet. Something simple, something nice, you know. Let's go. So guys, today is like, I don't know, yesterday the place did foggy and dark up and everything. We did get look at jewelry and everything, right? And now, me I tell you, the time hot, the sun out, everything. But I thought I can get a box so quick and fast, guys. I can't matter. Anytime literally I run out. I didn't want to leave out early if I try to do it, I do early. But, you know, I feel look after the kids then before I leave. I put Kai to sleep before I leave out of the house. I met Dario and Kai get their morning bath before I leave. I make sure so they eat and everything. So, yeah, so they're home with their daughter right now. So, like I said, I'm off home for different bank account today. Hopefully, I can get it done. First place, I'm going to go at the JP and then I head straight to the bank. So, fingers crossed, we get through. Yeah. Guys, so I just reached Bagwalk. Over the cross over there, so I go at the JP so that I can get some local information, sign up and all of that. Figure out the bank. Yeah, stand up for hot someone.
That I need to travel and I see you
Alright guys, so the JP down there too. Then I said tomorrow I'm over there. Cha-cha. So that means I can't start it and I want to start it today. Because it's the only JP menu with the my side.
Sabi girl what it do like dog. Animals stay in human form. Body man nobody like dog. But you must hustle if you want job. If no finish they won't fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I do like dog. No come they form say you do like us. Me no get the time for the plate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want, they keep it on my fantasy. What they check if my darling go wrong. But it rush my way, it be more. I'm gonna make my darling wrong. You got money because, yeah. It rush my way, it be more. To be hype, everybody grows. There's no joy in the
Alright, so I'm going to the next JP. I'm going to see if he's here or she's here today. Alright, so I'm currently waiting because the JP there, so somebody else is in front of me, so just wait until they get through. Guys, we just walk fully. Guys, we just walk so I get through today. I want to get through today, I swear. By the time I get through, then I got a machine and then I pick up few stuff for the kids, few little snacks as snacks run out. That's it. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm at the ATM now. I'm gonna draw $12 so I can give the JP quick and fast because that's what he basically charge. Right up, right up. Yeah. Feels very soup, you know. Come on, machine, come on. Guys, I'm coming out of the JP office because time I run up and it doesn't really make sense because the bank again. So you know what I do? We just like to buy the few things and we come to buy and then we head over and go home also. Yeah, the fun. Guys, we just got to the supermarket here. It's been a while since I eat gizzards. I'm going to take up 2 of this. You know, Mario and me and the kids them can eat that. I'm going to take up a fun pack. $4.50 for the fun pack. A pack. Combo stuff. It's whenever I'm free. I'm literally free to go up on the road and do what to do. We'll do what to do. But today is like not my day for doing what you're supposed to do. I mean, I can't have a waste my time. As soon as 2 o'clock now, I'm at 2 o'clock bank clock. So that makes sense, I'm a JP office and, you know? So I'm going to grab few stuff and then the head home. And grab 2 of these as well. Yeah, I grabbed 3 of these as well, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. One of these are in a cheese something. I have to go, I don't know. Guys, we love cheese, so just took up 6 of them. 6. Next on the list, let's take up 6 more. Come I love bun, bad. That expression date on the mirror. 7th of March, alright. 1, 9th of March, 2. 9th of March, 3. Guys, you know, like I'm getting about them stay like this, you know? I'm gonna switch it. Come coming back. All of them stay so. 9th of March. I'm gonna take up 3 of these donuts. Taking up 3 of these vanilla biscuits as well. Taking up 3 of these sweet tea biscuits, guys. I really love them. Mankind love them biscuits here. So I'm just gonna take up 3 of these. Phew, something to me I come in a fan and me I stack up back a place with snacks. Alright guys, so I'm gonna think about to buy one fish. 417 for the one here. The one here bigger. So I'm gonna take this at the same price plus tax on it too. I love Sprite, you know, and enough Sprite coming out this, you know. $306 and you have lobster this. So what? Sprite fish, them one are bigger. I like a little small Sprite fish them. I wonder if I must take it up. I love Sprite. I don't take up one fish already, but yeah, have them there too. There's my fish to try out there because I want to buy something. You know, the local mini one and everything just there drop out. But the kids them need a baby powder. Pick up the small one. I'm ready for the big one. I'm talking about me use powder hard. Guys, then do have the brand pampers for me once. So I've got to go elsewhere to try and find the brand pampers that I want. But for the time being, I'm just going to take up a wipes, you know, local wipes. Next, I'm going to take up few tin stuff, tin food, and a ketchup and oil, and I think that's it. I'm not really have it right now for spend saving time, yeah. Too small sugar. Guys, boil that ramen finished. Have y'all ever tried this before? But I want to try it and see if it's nice. One if it's nice, so I took up one. If anything, me and Mario shared. Alright, so all I have is now are the oil and then that's it. No, the oil and the vegetable oil. Have the oil and the ketchup to take up after. Yeah, the first meal for this hot tomato ketchup. Much for this? $3.10. First, I'm seeing this one. Yes, guys, my finally find it. Fish and meat sauce. I'm gonna need this as well. Taking up 2 small vinegars, y'all. Yeah, that's basically it. I feel like I'm taking up too much soup. I swear. And I'm low key on a budget today. Look at the chicken. Can't left out my frosted flakes, guys. Alright, that's it now. We're finished. This time we're serious. We're finished. I'm supposed to have to shop so much stuff. Guys, we just reached home at 3:01 under that now, and we just reached home. Yeah, everything came up to $12,000. Basically everything. We still have food at the house. We just still needed snacks. Every sweet to make a cup. That is what I needed. Cause next month, you know, say that is a whole other shopping again. Hey, adult life is not the best, you know. What I mean by that? You can never really have money in your pocket to all that. Listen, so if you're a kid watching my channel, if you're young, on a door rush life, you hear me say? Because that's once you get bigger than something, they bills and them look at something that I got stress, you know. So it's when time on the sister on the mother or the parents that take care of them. Wanna make them continue and don't misbehave, and all of them something. Just keep your head for your body, stay in a school, get the education, because if you don't have education or anything like that, it's gonna hard to get job and something. But yeah, I am tired right now, and Dario, they're right there. So as me come, guys, Dario take out one of snacks then. But yeah, me have few juice I had, say me feel that I'm never take up no juice at all. So yeah, guys, I'm so freaking tired right now. Tired bad. Kai asleep right now. Kai is still sleeping. Got the boy comfortable. Catch me, baby.
Later.
Cooking time again, guys. So Mary's in the kitchen. For dinner, we'll eat
KFC.
Yeah, KFC chicken we'll eat, guys, for dinner. Fried chicken and fries, alright, so we're not gonna say no. So chicken and chips are basically gonna eat for dinner today, guys. For this evening, because I'm basically evening, night. And then have these over here as well seasoned up and everything. Catch it look like them, man. Catch it look like them. So there's no egg here, so just I fry it normal with the flour. So guys, meanwhile those are in the pot frying. These are the ones that leave back for fryer. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday, the 22nd. Not the 22nd, sorry. The 27th of February, right? We have the weather is like rain I go fall, cause yesterday rain been a fall and I stop. I need for wash and I can't even do that as yet, but guess what, guys? Guess what again? But now I feel I fret and I say, my fear rush wash because what? I have my machine. No. Yes, I have a machine now, cause literally machine wash and dry and everything. So when me wash, me know say me have the inside line and everything. So I not feel worry about the kids and clothes or anything like that. Me still go wash pan time, cause you know kids clothes easy for mildew and everything. Kai want to say hi guys. Guys, when watch a Coco, I decide Coco, but they tell me go. I don't like see it. That's I'm not really sure it up because it don't look good. But anyways, it's now 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm up from 6 o'clock. And I just walk up and I'm thing now. Me I line up back and thing. So yes. I just come off a call with my mother. Cause she a check up on me everything. But I kinda come out of the funk now. Remember somebody I tell me I'm not really 100, like I wasn't myself and everything like that. So I'm not fully 100, but I'm getting there. You get what I mean? And I go drop try to put myself in a state where you know things are gonna get bad for me. So I just try to active up myself. You get what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna go and watch the weather and see the sky and everything to see if rain are gonna actually fall. Because I want to wash and then rain will end up falling off and I take up the clothes them off of the line. You understand me? But you know matter still because once the clothes them wash on the machine I got dry them and by the time put the clothes them on the line and look a breeze blow them, then literally dry. So yeah. But yeah, me and the kids them home. Them father gone on the road early this morning, so me and them basically they home now. And today is like a boring day for us. Like every day kind of well not really. But yeah, today is like a boring day for us. You coming? And that road over there, so guys, watch him. But yeah, me update you back and tell me what is what. Cause me and children for wash. The clothes and pile up back on me and you know, yeah. So I'm gonna catch you guys little bit from now. Okay, so I decided to not go wash because it's no 10:20 right now. Not 10:20, 10:02 right now. So I'm not gonna wash because the place kinda look bright out. You know, bright up. I see the sun out, so I'm not gonna wash. I'm gonna take this. Guys, me I tell them go me a nice. And at one time, I think at one time daily they say to take it. I saw two gummies daily. But sometimes it slipped me and I just take one. Next time I gotta buy the big one. The big one dear, you know? Dear God, and it's for just $1,000 I think. I don't mean pay for it for. But this nice, I'm gonna wash now. The first clothes I'm gonna wash on the kids and clothes. So let's go. Yes, Kai. Let's climb up so let me turn on the camera. I want to see them. Yeah? Yeah. Alright guys. Mega wash you now. Alright guys, so mega wash the clothes as well. Yeah, I left back for the offer by the chopper in for because my like to sit outside, especially night time. So yeah, I'm not sure. This is how it looks, y'all. I'm happy. Bad. I get it. Daryl keep on a touch it. Him just touch it out. See me? Give it man. Right, the water got run now.
I won't play it how it is. Hey, I been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not a pill. Hey, you wanna spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rose Rush still on the field. Yo, yo.
Guys, I just finished lunch and everything. Now I got my chicken in the fridge. This. So yeah, I'm hungry as hell. So might just reheat this. Yeah, this is basically it for the vlog. I hope you guys do enjoy. Please leave a like, a comment, and please do subscribe if you're new to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna cook now because time I get late and everything, so I'm gonna prep up and I'm gonna cook, but first I wash the plate and everything. But yeah, like I said guys, I do hope you enjoy this vlog. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified whenever I post. And yeah, but that's basically it for this vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this shit up though. Anyways, Bye guys, thank you guys. I just want to say, before I go, I just want to say thank you guys for the continued support. It really means a lot to me, and then for my true supporters, genuine supporters for out there, thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you guys for sticking with me throughout everything, despite everything that's going on. Okay, I really truly appreciate you guys, all the people who subscribe to my channel, all of the people who really support me. Yeah. My baby, I've said this often, but really and truly grateful for each and every one of you guys. Chicken just finished, guys. Yeah, maybe eat peas not too long ago. Bye guys. Bye. Love you guys.